Good afternoon, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining, and we are here at 2275 Northeast 12th Street in Pompano, and we are looking at the piece of pipe that connects the east building to the main sewer line. Alright, I'm going to start pulling the camera back and showing you the condition of the pipe. The main problem I see right now is there's a lot of buildup and potentially a couple holes. Had to move the spool closer to work with it. Alright. Unfortunately, I am at the mercy of whoever wants to use water right now. So if I start losing camera signal because people are flushing the toilet, or losing video because the toilets and stuff are being used, I can't help that. I'm using a small camera, probably inch and a quarter right now, somewhere in that size. We were using a larger camera, but unfortunately there was so much buildup, the 2-inch camera actually could not fit. With the little ball that goes on the end to keep it out of the water, the float, it's about 2 1/4, 2.5 inches, and it would not fit through this pipe at all. So there are some serious condition issues with this pipe. As you can see, there's some pretty serious buildup there. That trench down the middle of the pipe is actually is buildup that's being left behind, calcified rust and things like that just keep stacking up layer upon layer and start blocking the pipe off over time. Another problem that buildup causes is little pockets that hold water all the time, and that ends up eating through the pipe and creating holes. The only way really to rectify that buildup issue is to have it ground out. Water jetting won't remove that stuff, and once you grind a pipe, it severely weakens it, so it has to be lined. So in order to solve the issue, the pipe needs to be ground, cleaned up and smoothed out, and then a liner needs to be put in it. At the point that you grind down all that stuff and you water jet it, get all the debris out, you'll be able to see, I'm sure there's a whole lot of cracks and other problems with this pipe. This was the area earlier, I believe. I could not get my camera through. There's a couple turns, and the buildup is so bad in the turns that the camera just would not fit. Alright, that's the end of that one. We're going to move on to another section and look at that.